What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell cryptocurrency on the Krak app. So let's get started. Now to sell crypto on the Krak app, once you log in into your account, you just need to tap on the plus icon right here, and then from here select the sell option, this one right here. Now on the sell menu you will be able to see all the cryptocurrencies that you currently own. So we'll be selling these Pudgy Penguins tokens. Now I will just select that. But you can select whichever cryptocurrency that you would like to sell. Now, once you selected the cryptocurrency that you would like to sell, you would be able to input the amount of that cryptocurrency right here. So I will just select maximum, and then you have your dollar amount right here. So once you select the amount, you can just go ahead and tap on this button right here, the arrow one, and here you would be able to see the order roundup. So this is a sell order, and we will be selling this amount of cryptocurrency worth in US dollars. Now I will just confirm it. And there we go. I just sold that amount of Pengu tokens. Now if you go to your activity, you would be able to see that in your history. And essentially guys, that's how you can sell cryptocurrency on the Krak app. Thank you for watching.